Hi, my name is Bill Oyas. I'm with the Lakeville Police Department. I've been with the Lakeville Police Department for about 5 years now, and I've been with our drone unit for 2 years since our founding in September of 2023. Our primary drone that we utilize is the DJI Matrice 30, or the M30. Our backup exterior outdoor drone is the DJI Mavic 3T, and our interior drone is the DJI Avata Model 1. We primarily fly under the FAA's Part 107 regulations. Just some of the key highlights of that: we're required to fly no higher than 400 feet, and we have to fly within line of sight of the drone, meaning that we can see the drone from where we're standing or our visual observer is standing. We also have a certificate of waiver, which allows us to fly outside of line of sight under certain parameters. It's a much more kind of tailor-made plan that allows us to do the outside of line of sight flight. Minnesota statute does not allow us to use it in a surveillance method, so I can't just go park in a parking lot, send the drone up and say, well, I'm going to search these neighborhoods, or I'm going to check these neighborhoods for something. The only exception allowed under state statute would be for a public event. So like the Minnesota State Fair would be a good example. Here in Lakeville, our own Panaprog. It just gives us extra response. If there is a large event that occurs, we can get that drone deployed a lot quicker. Primarily, we use it to try and find people. So we have a suspect that fled from us on foot. We have them within a certain area. Where we have a missing person, especially in the wintertime, we're more concerned about the exposure. We can use the drone to clear a very large area searching for a missing juvenile, a missing memory care unit patient, that kind of stuff. We can also use it in the event that we have a perimeter around a building. It allows us to have oversight on that building. It gives them that bird eye view. They can clean up the perimeter. They have a good working knowledge of where all the people are. So the Lakeville Police Department drone unit started in September of 2023. We currently have 7 members plus a sergeant that make up the core group. It's been exciting and fun being a part of it, especially with it being so new to us. It's been exciting getting to partner with other agencies and see what works well, how we can improve our tactics, and how we can improve the equipment we utilize. I'll be excited to see where drones as a police department tool goes in the future.